This turkey bolognese pairs perfectly with deliciously simmered vegetables, ground turkey, and some amazing herbs for something that is comforting and hearty. The turkey is an amazing substitute for those who don't eat beef nor pork by switching to a low-fat and insanely delicious meat. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making turkey bolognese. Before we begin, do me a little favor and hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Heat a large saucepan or medium pot over medium-high heat. Pour in the olive oil and sweat the onions, carrots, celery, and garlic, constantly stirring for about 6 to 7 minutes. Add peeled and chopped fresh plum tomatoes, canned will also do, to the pot with the butter, and add the salt and the pepper and bring this to a simmer. This will take about an hour and a half, so stir it occasionally. Chop the basil and add half of the basil to the pot. Use an immersion blender to puree this into a sauce. Puree until your desired smoothness. I personally like mine a little chunky. Now, tomato sauce is cool because it can be made ahead of time and stored in a mason jar or any other food-safe container for about 5 days in the refrigerator or 3 months in the freezer. This is a fabulous way to use fresh, in-season tomatoes from your garden or the farmer's market and keep those delicious tomatoes for a couple months even down the line. Prepare the turkey bolognese now. So we're gonna heat a medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Once the pan's hot, add the olive oil and then the ground turkey. Stir this while it's cooking to brown the meat evenly. You can break up the little chunks with your spoon. Now, when the turkey's mostly cooked, drain some of the grease from the pan and clear a little space in the center of the pan to add the yellow onions, celery, carrots, and minced garlic. Saute and incorporate this into the turkey. Once the turkey is cooked through, add the tomato sauce we made and stir everything until it's evenly combined and mixed and delicious. Remove the turkey bolognese from the heat. Cook your pasta according to your package's instructions. Top the al dente pasta with the meat sauce and garnish with Parmesan cheese and parsley and maybe even a little red pepper flake if you like that sort of thing. Serve it up and enjoy. For the full recipe, do not forget to head to the description box below, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are incredible recipes on there, so don't miss this opportunity. Check the rest of them out. Y'all, if you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe. As always, my name's Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah!